I think it's time that we introduce a pretty important word, the root of a polynomial. This is a word we're going to hear more and more in the coming lessons, so I think we should get used to it now. So if the root of a polynomial is a number n, such that when you substitute n in the spot of x in that polynomial, it makes the polynomial equal to 0, then what do you think the root is? Where do we get that number that is the root from? Is the root just 0? Is it the x-coordinate of the vertex of the parabola? Is it the y-coordinate of the vertex? Is it the x-coordinate of the y-intercept? The y-coordinate of the y-intercept? The x-coordinate of the x-intercept? Or the y-coordinate of the x-intercept?